Okay, I'm making a video now. There we go. That's a deep hole you're digging, Lena.
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah, that's why I'm dancing for the video.
Don't fall over.
So you comes for digging and plants. And we always come right to dig for week and spring to dig. I get to dig today. Today's the first day when I digged. I pushed my own ball. It was so great to see. Da, da, da.
I think that's a big enough hole, Lena.
And when the spring comes,
Plant's right behind you.
Did you put him in the cage?
Yep, Balto's away. He's not going to bother you.
The soil we've grown for plants, for all the best soil we've done. But all of these forests, but look at all of these plants that are good. Planted. Yeah. Look at these plants, they're coming to see me. Look at my shirt, it has a watermelon on it. It says watermelon. And this right here's a 100. Look at me, I'm a gardener. The end.
Okay.